Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a full comparison between Linux Mint and Ubuntu, two of the most popular Linux distributions out there. If you are wondering which one is better for you in 2025, whether you are a beginner or a power user, stick around because by the end of this video you will know exactly which one to choose. Overview. Both Linux Mint and Ubuntu are based on Debian and share a lot of similarities under the hood. But their philosophy and user experience are quite different. Ubuntu is developed by Canonical, focusing on a modern look and wide software support. Linux Mint, on the other hand, builds on Ubuntu but aims for simplicity, stability, and a Windows-like interface that feels similar to new users. User interface and ease of use. Ubuntu uses the Genome desktop, which has a modern, sleek design with a vertical dock and a search-centered workflow. It's perfect if you like clean, minimal, and touch-friendly layouts. Linux Mint offers three desktop choices: Cinnamon, Mate, and XFCE. But Cinnamon is the most popular. It looks and feels like the traditional Windows desktop, with a taskbar, start menu, and simple navigation. If you are switching from Windows, Mint's Cinnamon desktop will feel right at home. If you prefer a modern design and do not mind learning something new, Ubuntu takes the lead. Performance and system requirements. Performance-wise, Linux Mint is lighter and runs smoother on older or low-spec machines. It uses fewer system resources and boots faster in most cases. Ubuntu, while optimized, tends to consume more RAM because of Genome desktop and built-in background services. If you are running older hardware or want maximum speed, Mint is the better choice. But if you are on newer hardware and like the integrated features, Ubuntu works perfectly. Software and App Store. Both distros use apt for package management and the Ubuntu repositories, meaning you get access to the same software. Ubuntu uses the Snap Store, which is great for getting the latest apps, but can be slower to launch. Linux Mint avoids Snap by default and sticks to traditional DEB packages and Flatpak, which many users prefer for performance and transparency. If you want more control and less blot, Mint wins. If you prefer convenience and easy access to modern apps, Ubuntu takes the point. Stability, updates, and community. In terms of stability, both are rock solid, but Mint is often considered more stable because it delays major updates until they are fully tested. Ubuntu pushes updates faster, which means newer features, but occasionally more bugs. Both have huge online communities, tons of documentation, and excellent support, so you do not struggle to find help for either. Final verdict. So which one is better? If you are a beginner, switching from Windows or using an older computer, Linux Mint is your best bet. It's lightweight, simple, and super stable. If you want a modern interface, access to the latest software, and official canonical support, Ubuntu is the one for you. Both are fantastic. It really comes down to what kind of user you are. Mint, simple and stable. Ubuntu, modern and feature rich. And that is it. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and join our channel for more comparison niche videos. And see you in a new video.